Anyway, we're down back at the allotment because it's such a lovely day. Thought we'd have a look at what's actually growing on this allotment at the moment. And I believe that's an apple tree. And that is an apple tree. I hope I'm correct. And I've got 4 bushes here, which I believe are blackcurrant and red currants. And again, I hope I'm correct, but I think this is a pear tree. And these are hazelnuts. They all need a bit of a pruning during the winter. Different types of pruning, from what I've been told. But yeah, this is what I'm going to call the orchard. So I'm going to section this off eventually. I am doing a no dig on here because I've got back problems, and been watching a chap called Dowding on YouTube. So I'm collecting cardboard at the moment. Need tons of it, and once I get that, I'll be able to start working on that part of the pitch. In the meantime, today I'm going to take down this rotten old shed, clear it all out and take it down. You don't want to watch that, so I think we'll make it come down magically at some point. Let's try it. And there you go, it's down. And I've shoved it all over the end over there. So, a lot of messing about to get it cleared away to somewhere else, tip or whatever. So, pretty pleased with that. Didn't take too long. Still a little bit of clearing up to do. I could show you inside the shed what I've got to do in there. Actually, I haven't thought of that, so why don't we do that? I have to put my gloves on because I know there's rat droppings in here. And I've got to clear this out. I've got to clear this out at some point, or the next week or the next few days, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if you look closely, but there's a fair few rat droppings underneath all this. So I imagine at some point either the rats are still coming in, or they've been in and disappeared. Problem with rats is that allotments, you're going to get them all the time. So I'm going to debating whether or not to poison them or trap them. Poisoning is a bit of an issue due to secondary poisoning. And they go away and die somewhere where they stink and leave everybody smelling. Well, if I trap them in here, you've got to check the traps every day to be humane and make sure that no rat is caught on the trap and is in pain. So you've got to come in and dispatch them on a daily basis. So anyway, I'll think about it. Bye for now. Well, I realised I can't do magic, so I had to take it down by hand, and it's now all clear. It's all been moved to the end by hand. So this weekend, hopefully, my nephew's going to help me break it all up into manageable parts and then shift it to the tip. Hopefully. He might say, no, forget that, do it yourself, and if he does, then I'll have to maybe look at getting a skip. But yeah, this is all going to get broken up into sort of pieces that are manageable, stick in a car or something like that. Yeah, I might finish for today because I've got stuff to do at home. It's called hoovering, washing the pots, doing the washing, that sort of stuff, before the wife gets home, because she still works. She's not as lucky as me. And been listening to a bit of music, had my coffee, had a couple of ciggies, and pretty pleased with my efforts for today. And pop back tomorrow, I think, and have a go at those brambles behind that shed, and all the weeds and rubbish, chop them down maybe, and then that'll do me. Ta-ra for now.